We're heading up to the haunted McElhattan tracks right now. Story goes, a few years ago, there was a bus full of kids that were going up this way on a field trip, and it stopped on these tracks. A train came by, hit the bus before all the kids could get off. Killed all the kids, including the driver. We're about to go up here and see if this is true. They say they got some proof up here. This is it. It's the memorial I told you about. Check it out. You can't really tell because all the snow's on these flowers and stuff, but you can tell somebody died here. 8/3/97. It's August 3rd, 1997. You see here a bunch of these little kids' names on it. You can't read this gold plate here. Check out this gold plate. This gold plate here says, in memory of Nathan D. Bowmaster and Irvin L. Bowmaster, died August 3rd, 1997. You can see here, looks like a muffler, a tire, tailgate, a little more light. You can see right here, looks like a seatbelt that would have came off a bus. Let's go check out these tracks. Sliding everywhere. Alright, we're coming upon the bridge. Alright, here we go. Here's the tracks. There's the sign. I want to get out and make sure the coast is clear before we get up on there. I'll be right back.